Hey everyone! If you've been seeing videos of people showing off Temu free stuff every single day and you're wondering, how are they actually doing that? This video is for you. Because yes, Temu Free Gift is real in 2026, but most people never unlock it simply because they don't follow the correct steps. Before we get into the method that actually works, I've put the current working Temu Free Gift code right here on the screen. It's also down in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now let's talk about how people are getting free stuff daily from Temu, without scams, fake clicks, or sketchy third-party apps. Step 1. Activate the free gift the right way. Most people open Temu like any other shopping app and nothing happens. That's because Temu only activates the free gift event when you enter through the correct entry point. So before doing anything else, click the first link in the description. This is important. That link connects the free gift event to your Temu account. Once the page loads, you'll see a QR code on your screen. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on desktop, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Either activation method does the same thing. It triggers the free gift event on your account. Once that's done, open the Temu app. Step 2, look for the progress bar. After activation, you should see a progress bar appear, usually near the top of the screen. This progress bar is the key to free gifts. If you don't see it, the activation didn't go through. Just go back and repeat the first step using the link. No progress bar equals no free gift event. Step 3, complete simple daily actions. This is where people earn free stuff daily. Temu gives you a few small, simple tasks to complete to fill that progress bar a little bit each time. These can include browsing a category, opening deals, checking specific product sections, revisiting featured pages. They are very easy and usually take just a few seconds. Every time you complete these, the progress bar fills up a bit, and once it hits 100%, you unlock another free item. And yes, many people repeat this every single day because it resets or refreshes during certain Temu events. Step 4, unlock free items regularly. Once that progress bar reaches 100%, your free item becomes available to claim immediately. Real stuff shipped to your address. No purchases required, no hidden charges, no referral system necessary. People who do these steps correctly are literally unlocking free gifts daily, like gadgets, accessories, tools, home goods, and more. Why it works for some and not others? Most people try Temu once or twice, don't see anything, and assume it's fake. It isn't. The only reason it didn't work for them is because they either never clicked the activation link, didn't scan or enter the activation code, opened the app first before activating, missed the progress bar altogether. So if you want to start getting Temu free stuff daily, here's your checklist. Click the link in the description first, scan the QR, or enter the code. Look for the progress bar, complete the simple tasks, watch the free item unlock, and if you do this and start getting free stuff, drop a comment below telling me what you unlocked. I'd love to see your results.